Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to claim the credit for the elderly or disabled on Turbotax. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. The first step is going to be to determine your eligibility. So first, you got to determine if you're eligible for the elderly or disabled. So obviously you got to be either elderly or you got to be disabled to be eligible for this. Next step is to collect your social security award letters and other relevant documents. That is, if you are eligible, go ahead and collect your social security award letters and other relevant documents. And then you're gonna sign into your Turbotax account on the website. So go ahead and log in with your email address and your password. And once you're logged into your account, you're gonna select the tax year that you want to claim the credits for. And then you're gonna choose credits and then select credit for elderly or disabled as your credit type. And next, you're going to enter your credit information, including your social security number and your birth date. And next, just go ahead and claim the credit based on your eligibility and credit information. And the final step is going to be to review your credit claim just to make sure that everything is accurate. And if it is, submit it to the IRS and they're going to take it from there. That's pretty much it on how to claim the credit for the elderly or disabled on Turbotax. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the